Hello. There is a lot to explore in the 2025 spring version of Alloy Navigator, and in this video we'll take you through the highlights. Let's dive in. AI is stepping up in Alloy Navigator, making everyday IT tasks much easier. It learns from your past tickets, solutions, and internal knowledge and adds relevant info from external sources to offer helpful suggestions right when you need them. It can quickly summarize a ticket so you don't have to dig through long descriptions or activity logs. It suggests solutions or next steps based on what's worked before, helps classify tickets more accurately by recommending categories, and even flags possible risks in change requests by spotting patterns from past issues. Managing projects just got more visual. You can now use Kanban boards to organize tasks, track progress, and spot blockers at a glance. Whether you're rolling out a server upgrade or planning the office move, it's all easier to keep on top of. If you prefer a different perspective, switch to a Gantt chart or list view, whichever works best for your style. And for larger efforts, task boards can span multiple projects with filters to keep things organized, and you can share them with your team to stay aligned. Now you don't have to jump between Alloy and Outlook. Your Outlook calendar now appears right in My Calendar alongside your tickets and deadlines. It syncs in real time so everything stays up to date. You can plan better, avoid double booking, and easily spot free time like that open slot on Friday afternoon. If you spend long hours in the web app, your eyes will appreciate this one. You can now switch to dark mode, choose light mode, or stick with your system's default. When you're assigning tickets or selecting a person, it's now much easier to pick the right one. Drop-downs now show both names and email addresses, and you'll also see their avatars. It's available in both the Technician web app and the self-service portal, so no more mix-ups between all those John Smiths. Email alerts are easy to miss. Now push notifications come to the self-service portal, so users get real-time updates on their requests and tickets right on their mobile devices or desktop browser. Just like the technicians, they'll see updates under the bell icon, and one click takes them straight to the relevant page. The self-service portal has now a new look and some handy upgrades. Navigation is easier with a clearer menu on the left. Ticket details now open in a spacious two-column layout that's easier to read and customizable to match your workflow. And booking equipment is simpler too, with a smarter calendar that lets you pick a full date range in one step. This release has a lot more in store for all kinds of users. No matter your role, tech, admin, or end user, there is something new and useful for you in this update. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.